In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add keywords to Wix website. We'll add a keywords meta tag to a specific page using the Wix editor. This is done through the built-in SEO tools, so you won't need any external plugins. Keep in mind, modern search engines place little or no ranking weight on the keywords meta tag, but it can still help with organization, some analytics tools, and maintaining consistent metadata. First, open your site in the Wix editor and head to your Pages panel. This panel lists every page on your website, so you can choose exactly where you want to add your keywords. Pick the page you want to optimize so the changes apply only to that page. Hover your mouse over the page name and click the three dots icon to open more options. This expands a menu that gives you access to the page's settings without taking you away from your current view. From that menu, select SEO Basics. This area controls how your page appears in search results, including the title tag and meta description. We won't change those here, but it's helpful to know where they live, because your keywords should align with your title and description for clarity and consistency. Next, go to Advanced SEO. This section gives you code-level control over what's injected into the page head, which is exactly where the keywords meta tag belongs. Open Additional Tags. This is where you can manage custom meta tags and other head elements. Using this area keeps your edits scoped to the page you're working on and prevents global changes you might not intend. Click Add New Tag. Wix will provide a field where you can paste your custom HTML. Paste your keywords meta tag in standard HTML format. For example, keep the content relevant to the page, use natural language, and separate terms with commas. Aim for a short, focused list rather than a long, repetitive block. Avoid keyword stuffing. It doesn't help and can look spammy. A handful of precise phrases that match your page's title, headings, and on-page copy is best. When you're happy with your tag, click Apply. Your new tag will appear in the list of additional tags for that page. You can return here anytime to edit or remove it. If you plan to add keywords to other pages, repeat the same process in their individual settings so each page has tags tailored to its own content. That's it. You've added keywords to your Wix page using the advanced SEO tools. For stronger overall SEO, make sure your main keywords are reflected naturally in your page title, headings, body text, and image alt text. Thanks for watching, and feel free to revisit these steps whenever you optimize new pages.